going today, Rose?
Wasserfallen.
And what does Wasserfallen mean? I'm going to ask Rose.
It means water.
Wasser means water. Do you know what Fallen would mean? Water, Fallen?
Fountain.
Waterfall. So that's what it means, Wasserfallen. So waterfall. And where is Wasserfallen? Which part of the world?
Switzerland.
Yes, it's in Switzerland. And in the winter time, it's got all of these beautiful snow-capped landscapes, and it's stunning. But it's the summer now, isn't it?
Yeah.
So do you think we're going to see many waterfalls?
Yeah. Yes.
Do you think we might?
You need to calm down. You're being too loud.
Really outside, isn't it?
I see the sun is out.
Yeah.
We don't need our cardigans on out there, actually. Tess, we're here already.
That's what you're doing. Go as well. So here we are. It's about a 25-minute drive here to Wasserfallen from Basel. Let me record that. Aha.
Jungfrau. Jungfrau.
Jungfrau.
Jungfrau.
And what does that mean?
That's a very famous...
Ah, where you could go skiing, is it?
Yes.
Ah. Right, so we're going to go and get our tickets now. Yep, so we go up here. Let us go, girls.
Tess, this is your ticket.
So you're
Rose,
issued a
this is your
ticket.
Ellen is free. So
Ellen's
you can have
free.
one ticket.
Great. Well, something's free in Switzerland. Something's free. I've got your ticket. So you just, it's almost like a barcode in the shop. That's it, you can go through now. You listen to the beep. So you just go through here. Well done, Tess. Oops, 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 darling, it's all right.
Well,
Okay.
that's 2 for 1.
Here's the cable cars coming round. They just keep coming round. If you've been skiing, then you know.
Pablo, go on my lap.
Yes, Pablo can go in between you.
Yeah, both of us.
Wait there, Ellen. So as it's moving, you just walk in. Walk in, Ellen. That's it. Come on, in you come. That's it. Sit down, sit down.
Sit on mommy's lap.
In
Pablo is under
50
there.
minuten.
And she says,
Van beneden helemaal naar boven.
So how high is this then?
1100 meters, something like that.
Oh, so this is 1100 meters up once we're up there.
I'm scared.
Why?
Why are you scared?
I feel like the cable car's gonna drop
Why, Rose?
because it's so heavy of people.
Yeah, there's quite a few. We're at the top of the trees now. Whoa.
Yeah,
We
we're
got
hanging.
another cable car to go back.
We're just kind of really slow and stopping, aren't we?
We might.
Oh no, we're in the middle. We might
What?
crash.
That's okay. Sorry. just really still then, didn't it?
So what? It
Okay.
very often happens.
I don't remember that.
Go on. On the way
Is
to
it?
Engelberg, it stopped several times.
Did it? I don't remember that.
On.
Oh,
Of course it
gosh.
does stop.
Okay.
It's normal. If somebody has difficulties getting out,
Yeah.
they slow it down.
Okay. Little waterfalls
Wow.
right down there. So yeah, they are
Right.
falling. That's what, if you hike up here, that's when you're going to see most of the waterfalls.
Zeg maar iets
So there's the paths that you can walk up. That's right, that's beautiful there.
What?
Look at that. Okay, so we've arrived. That's when you get out.
Pablo,
That's it, girls. So over there's all the scooters that people use to scoot down. So you can walk down or you can scoot down.
where are we going now?
We are going to go for a walk.
I'm not hiding.
Today is International Swiss Day, so most things are closed in Switzerland, but here in Wasserfallen it's open, and it's such a stunning day. And this isn't the only restaurant up here. There's this one, and there's also a play park area up the top. Also have something to eat as well, and there's a playground beside it, so that's really good if you want to sit and relax and watch the kids play while you have a bite to eat. So there's lots of things you can do up here as well, lots of activities for the older kids. Lots of different areas you can walk to, so you've got good hikes for like 1 hour, 30 minutes or more. So you will see waterfalls here, but you'll see most after the snow is starting to fall and melt after the winter, and that's the best time to come. One thing is for sure, being here, just generally in Switzerland, it gets you out and about and makes you really outdoorsy, even if you never wanted to be an outdoorsy person. Even if you're not an outdoorsy person, you become an outdoorsy person when you're living here. Bring him back round, girls. That's it, and take a seat.
Bring him back, bring him back, bring him back. Come here, Pablo.
Pablo, do you want your bone? Got his bone. Me? Come on. So we are going to use their toilets, aren't we? Ellen.
In de zomer gaan. Hoeveel mensen dat willen. En dat bestaat. Dus
Is that good, Ellen? A nice meal for kids. Chicken nuggets is like a schnitzel, isn't it? Yeah, it is a schnitzel, but exactly like a nugget. And on our little plate, our little platter, you get a schnapps. We have a little bit more. It's very strong.
I don't have chips with it. I hate them.
Woo, that is really strong. Don't you be having any, Rose. It doesn't do anything. I think it's traditional here that it probably warms you up when it's winter time, so it just comes with a schnapps. So, yeah, but in the summertime it's kind of different. How does he get up here? Look at him, Tess. Stay where you are. Oh look, and he's got a little one in there. Okay, we've got full bellies, mainly because of our beer. And yeah, that schnapps just wasn't hitting the spot in the summer. And you can choose whatever you want in Wasserfallen, whether you want a day of just coming up to the restaurant like we did and having some beautiful views around you, or hiking for hours and hours, or doing other activities that are up here, like the zip line. Everyone seems really, really friendly here as well. Just really, and it's just a welcoming place, and everyone's here for the same reason, just to get away, and you just really feel at peace as well. I really feel like it's a peaceful place. How have you enjoyed Wasserfallen today?
It was very nice. My favourite part was going down the big slide over there.
It's nice, and perhaps we'll do the zip line today. So Tess is going to go on the zip line with Daddy, and we'll have a look at them coming back. Or maybe they go up there. I really have no idea if somebody's actually going to be there to catch my daughter when she comes over to the other side. Tess!
Yes!
There goes Tess down there. You probably can't see her because she's a tiny blob there. But that's Tess, yeah. She's gonna come back. So, wow. Oh, she's coming.
Yes, she's coming.
She's coming. Here comes Tess.
Oh, what comes there?
Here she comes. Oh my God, she's so brave. Oh my gosh, and that's one long zip wire. Go Tess! Go Tess! Tess, that's amazing! Well done! Good girl! Look how good you are! Look how good you are! Well done!
Hello!
Hi Tess! Cool! Is Daddy coming after you? Very good, Tess. Very good. Do you know how to unhook yourself?
No.
Oh, is Daddy going to do it for you? Oh, do you want me to come down? Let me come down. Oh, here comes Daddy. Don't worry, Tess. He's not going to come into you. Okay, here comes Daddy. Don't worry, Tess. He's not going to come into you. He's stopping. Okay. Yeah, see? Don't worry. Are you shaking, darling? Oh no, it's this that's shaking.
Ah! Oh my gosh, I'm flying!
Oh, Tess, well done. Tess, how was it?
It was really fun.
It was fun.
Yeah.
Come.
I'm scary. I went over the water.
You went over the water as well. Gosh, well done, sweetheart. Go under. Oh, well done. Let me take a picture of you in your gear.
Hey.
Tess.
Thanks for watching the Bubblicious family. Subscribe below and follow us in Wiggle wiggle!